Hello and welcome to another Coding Specs video. It's been quite some time since we've done a challenge, so I thought why not come up with a new one. Now I took inspiration for this challenge from a game which is often played in schools and with children in order to get them to learn their vocabulary. And that is, given a word, for example, we can write a function that says get combos of Python. The objective of the game is to find all the possible words which can be formed by rearranging the letters of the word Python. So some examples of the results of this function would be pony, which we all know is a small horse, typo, which are things I often do when coding, namely mistakes, as well as a lesser known word which is phote or fot, and that is a unit of measure of illumination, as well as several other words which I will leave for you to find. Now don't be fooled, this task is trickier than you might think, so I shan't set any kind of limitation. You are all free to do however you wish, and indeed use any techniques you may have seen either here on the channel or indeed elsewhere. Feel free to use any libraries which are online, as well as any that you may have written yourself. Of course, how do you write a library? How do you use a library? Well, these are all techniques which we've seen in our previous tutorials. So I invite you to go and check those out should you need a quick refresher. In our next video, of course, we will see the solution to this challenge. And I will make sure to also show you how to implement this within a graphic user interface, given that our tutorials lately have been on tkinter. So we will see how to take what we've learned in our tutorials and apply it to the solution of a challenge. With that, I wish you all the best of luck as always in solving the challenge, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video for the solution. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, happy coding!